Welcome! Today we'll be going over how to set up our new AIReal Yoga Rig. Before we begin, make sure that you have each of the 9 pieces listed here. 4 lower legs with feet attached, 4 upper legs, and 1 horizontal crossbar. Also note that the pins are attached to their designated poles. Start with the horizontal crossbar and the 4 upper legs. We take the spigot end of the upper leg, which is slightly indented like this, and we place it in the inner tube of the horizontal crossbar. Next, we'll take the pin on the same side as the pole and place it directly through the opening. If it does not go through right away, you might need to slightly wiggle it to get it through. Then we'll repeat on the second side. Again, making sure that the holes are lined up, and we'll place the pin and make sure it comes through the other side. So as you can see, it comes all the way through. The other side got a little stuck, so I had to keep pushing it. Make sure the back of your pin becomes flush as you push it all the way through. Then we'll place the second 2 upper legs onto the opposite side of the crossbar. Here we directly put both legs in before placing the pins to make sure that the top part of the rig is stable. Then we place both pins to secure it. If your swivel is not already attached, you will place a QUICKLINK up at the top and place your swivel on it. Then you'll close the gate. Make sure that it's secured and tight and that the swivel is working properly. Then we'll continue by taking the lower legs with feet attached and connecting them to one side of the rig. Double check that the pole is facing the right direction and that the feet are placed properly on the floor. And just as we did for the upper legs, making sure that the openings are aligned so that the pin can go all the way through. When attaching the last 2 lower legs of the rig, you may find it difficult to lift the rig and place the poles in. This is where we recommend getting a second person to assist you. This makes the job much safer and easier. At this point, your rig is all set to go and we're ready to place on the hammock. Grab a chair or something sturdy to stand on. Take your hammock and attach it to the swivel up top. Flip the carabiner upside down to give a little more space to the sewn slings at the bottom. Always triple check your carabiner to make sure it's attached correctly. Then you can place a simple overhand knot in the tail of each side of the hammock as an extra safety. Always keeping a bit of space between the knot and the sling so that you can see what's going on. After triple checking the rig and all the attachment points, we're ready to enjoy all of the benefits of AIReal Yoga. Take extra care when setting up and tearing down the AIReal Yoga Rig. When detaching the lower legs, the structure can become unstable and it may be easy to fall over. Otherwise, takedown is a breeze. This rig uses the AIReal Yoga Hammock Kit with Slings, which is a system that uses the PRUSIK knot. You can see this and other educational videos at our YouTube channel, youtube.com/AIRealYoga. As always, safety is our #1 priority, so if you have any questions, please send us an email at info@AIRealYoga.com. AIReal Yoga. Elevate, alleviate, exhilarate.